In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change region on iPhone 11 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly customize the region that your iPhone is set to. You will be able to change your region at any time and choose from any other location available. So all that you have to do is start this by going into the settings. Inside of the settings on any device, including your iPhone 11 Pro Max, access the General category. When you choose General, you will have plenty of options, including language and region. So as the name suggests, this is where we will find the options related to managing our regions. So immediately upon going to this page, you will find plenty of options. The first one is going to be the region itself, and of course this is the most important option to change. So if all you want to do is customize the region, just choose it from the list, and immediately upon selecting it, everything will be updated accordingly. Alternatively, you can also individually change the calendar, temperature, measurement system, day of the week, date format, and then number format. You can change all of these settings, and once everything has been changed, it will be saved automatically into your iPhone, and everything will be displayed according to the region that you selected here. And of course, you can also add new languages if you would also like to change the language of your device. If you go over to your account settings, you might also be able to change your actual iTunes account settings from there as well. However, this is going to differ for everyone, so I cannot guarantee that you will be able to freely change the region of your app store and such. However, you can just access the account settings and then look for the same option related to managing your region. Just choose any from the list and you will be good to go. I hope I was able to help you on how to change region on iPhone 11 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.